Welcome back to the Cozy English Corner. Today, we are learning a very visual idiom that involves hunting dogs, climbing, and making a very silly mistake.
A silly mistake, I am ready. What is the phrase?
The phrase is barking up the wrong tree.
Barking up the wrong tree. Why would I stand at the bottom of a tree and bark like a dog?
Well, humans do not do that. The phrase comes from hunting with dogs. A hunting dog chases an animal, like a raccoon. The raccoon climbs up a tree to hide. The dog stands at the bottom of the tree and barks loudly to tell the hunter where the animal is.
I understand, but what happens if the raccoon secretly jumps to a different tree?
Exactly. The dog keeps barking at the first tree, completely unaware that the animal is gone. The dog is barking up the wrong tree. In modern English, this means you have misunderstood a situation, or you are blaming the wrong person for a problem.
So you are putting all of your energy into completely the wrong place.
Precisely. Let us look at a real-world example. Imagine your lunch goes missing from the office refrigerator.
I would be very angry. Someone stole my food.
You immediately walk to your coworker David's desk and yell at him for eating your sandwich. But David was not even at the office today. He was at home sick.
I made a terrible mistake. I blamed an innocent person.
Yes, David would look at you and say, "I have been home all day. You are barking up the wrong tree. You need to ask someone else."
That is a great way for David to defend himself and redirect my anger.
Spot on. You can also use it to describe a bad strategy. If a company spends millions of dollars advertising winter coats in a tropical desert, they will not sell any.
That is a terrible business strategy.
You could tell the CEO, "If you want to make money selling coats in a desert, you are barking up the wrong tree."
It means their plan is completely flawed. Let us practice the pronunciation.
The heavy stress lands on the word wrong, barking up the wrong tree.
Barking up the wrong tree. You are barking up the wrong tree.
Flawless, your intonation sounds very confident. Now, let us test your logic with our expanded, three-part quiz.
I am ready. Give me the problem-solving scenarios.
Scenario 1. You want to learn how to speak fluent Japanese. You buy a Japanese textbook, download a Japanese language app, and practice every single day. Are you barking up the wrong tree?
Definitely not. I am doing the exact correct actions to achieve my goal. My strategy is perfect.
Correct. Scenario 2. Your car will not start. You decide the problem must be the tires, so you spend $1,000 buying 4 brand new tires. The car still will not start because the engine is broken.
Yes, I wasted my time and money fixing the wrong part of the car. I completely misunderstood the problem. I was definitely barking up the wrong tree.
Spot on. Scenario 3. A detective is trying to find a bank robber. He arrests a man holding a bag of money who confesses to the crime immediately.
No, the detective found the exact right person. He was barking up the perfect tree.
You nailed every single question. You perfectly understand how to redirect a bad strategy.
Thank you. I know I am not barking up the wrong tree by studying with this podcast.
What a wonderful compliment. Have a fantastic day, everyone, and keep practicing.